Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let me show you how this little kit will change your recording experience.
So guys, as you can hear, I am outside trying to do some nice, peaceful video content creating, but as you can hear, it is super loud. So let me show you just what a difference this little connection here makes and the noise cancelling you get from it.
As you can see, this little device has made a huge difference for when you want to record outside and be able to eliminate the background noise. And not only that, you can get a pretty good distance on this. Now keep in mind that you do have to make sure the Bluetooth connection is clear to be able to talk and travel a little bit further. And you can see just the difference that it makes. As we walk further and further away, I still get that clarity and the connection as well, which is super impressive. So you can probably see my hand flailing around at the back here, but as you can see, I am quite a distance away and the crystal clear sound is still coming through, even though there is a small whitewater rapids going on next to me, along with some ducks and all sorts of other things. So I think this is a great little investment. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.